to sit on the back of a scooter. Trust your driver, relax, and wear a helmet. Let's put the helmet on first. Step onto the scooter. And now you will gently lean forward and take your hand on your thighs and relax. And if it's a bit scary, you can hold your driver here or on his shoulders or on the back and just relax. But what if you are wearing a skirt? You will just put your little butt up on the scooter. This one is more wiggle. And you will just relax. One hand on the back, maybe one on the shoulder. And try to sit as still as you can so the scooter won't wiggle. And if you're feeling a bit wild, why don't sit backwards? This could be hard for you because you won't see what's coming. Probably illegal, so I won't recommend it. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And comment below if you would like me to show you something else. Bye!